One night, Moon Goddess looked out and saw movement on the land, but nothing in the sea, nothing in the air. Gotta fix this, she thought. She took a net and went over to the moon lake and took out some fish. She then sprinkled these into the ocean and rivers of the earth. She flew up, gathered some birds, and scattered them into the air. Once again, whereas the animals were fed from the moon goddess's table, in the oceans and in the air, they had nothing to eat. They started hunting, killing, and eating each other. The sun god looked down and saw what was happening on the land. He decided to create a creature that was more superior than the animals. And so the sun god created the first man. The moon goddess looked down and saw what the sun god had created. A creature in his own image. How selfish, she thought. I'll have to create a creature in my own image. And so the moon goddess created the first woman. Now, man and woman had been created to keep the peace between the creatures. But man saw woman. Woman saw man. Man began to chase woman. Woman began to chase man. They fought. They made up, as we always do. They built a house. They had children, and their children built houses and had children. And that is how it all began, and remains to this day.